Babe, you're gonna miss your wife.
Guys, there's like a couple more zombies. You guys need to get guys serious because I'm getting lonely in here. And I have like 10 billion billion. Hey, them are the last zombies, so keep them. No, wait, never mind. It's stuck on me. Dang.
That's popular, no?
Dang. We're just gonna aim at him. Death machine. And double points, that's like your best. Watch out behind you. What's he
so delicate.
Oh shit, wait. Try to come right by me, see if I can revive you. Or he got it. Hey, White, did you have any good guns?
No!
I gotta wait for Uncle Cycle.